We're back! This video is all about Kamaya, so yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa! Talk! Don't make faces. Talk!
Hi! I'm Tay.
No, your name is Kamaya.
Bobby hair.
What's your favorite color?
Pink and purple.
What's your favorite animal?
A beta.
Okay, you know what? Next question. Who's your favorite character?
Caitlin.
Hello Kitty.
Yay!
What's your favorite TV show?
Dora.
I don't know. What's your favorite food?
Pie. I know. Wait. My favorite food is my
Spaghetti. I think these questions are too hard for you. Stop putting stuff on the screen. I don't know. You want to get out and dance for the people?
Yes! Shake your booty!
No, don't shake your booty. Oh, that, yeah. I'm sorry you guys had to see that. Bye!
Bye!